Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how Snapchat Story works. A Snapchat story is a collection of snaps captured within the past 24 hours. By default, your story is visible to all your friends and they can view the snaps in your story as many times as they like. You can limit who sees your story by changing your privacy settings. So, how to create and edit your story? So, if we go to the Snapchat, then add snaps to your story. Then tap the story button at the bottom left of your screen. Then finally tap add and the snap will become part of my story. So to delete a snap from your story, from the camera screen, tap the circular icon in the very top of the screen. You should see most recent snap there. Then tap my story. Tap any snap to view it and tap the three dots in the top right corner and tap delete. To save your story, remember your story is a rolling archive of the past 24 hours. If you'd like to hold on the story longer than that, you can save it. You can go back to stories and tap the three dots on the upper right corner and click save. So your story will be saved to your memories on your camera roll. To see who viewed your story, tap the icon on the snap within the story to see who's viewed it on the lower left part. Unfortunately, nobody has viewed my snap yet. And how to view someone's story. From the camera screen, tap the stories icon in the bottom right corner. You will see contacts who's updated their stories. So I hope that you've learned something and I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!